Welcome to Singing with Ron.
So, another great exercise for singers, and especially I find dancers, is bending over while singing. And so, what it is it helps you to let go of your rectus abdominis muscle. And so, when you're bending forward and you say, "Happy birthday to you, happy birthday," it's really hard to, I find anyways, to keep your rectus engaged. So for dancers, some of them have to really flop over. And then when you think up with your below your belly button with a little bit of squeezing of the belt buckle so that you're doing up a tight pair of hands, and then you find the breath. When you do that, really goes across your back, and then you flop forward. Happy birthday, happy birthday. That engagement of the core hopefully will disappear. So give that a shot. Thanks.